Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what to do if your sensor is actually going off when there's nothing around you. So what you'll need to do is actually locate the faulty sensor, and then what you're going to do is you're actually going to take WD-40 and you're going to spray it right over the sensor in the little grooves. You let that sit for a minute or so, and then you'll go ahead and wipe it off. And just like that, what it does is it actually takes the moisture out of the sensor, which gives it false readings. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.